Let me recognize all the protocol that has been established this morning and this afternoon here. I stand on behalf of the Vice-Chancellor, Professor Olayemi Akinwumi, Vice-Chancellor of the Federal University Lokoja. He's truly honored and very privileged to be recognized for his very modest achievements since he joined the university here in Lokoja in 2021. Like the MC had stated earlier, when he joined the university in 2021, there were only 2 faculties. But as we speak at the moment, we have well over 5 faculties, with well over 20 departments, and it's growing. There is, in addition, the College of Health Sciences, there's a Faculty of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Faculty of Engineering, Faculty of Agriculture, and so many that are coming. In addition to all of this, there are programs, weekend programs, stop-up programs that very many people, particularly people who stay in Lokoja here, are benefiting from. So on behalf of my Vice-Chancellor, we thank the Rotary International for this recognition of his very, very humble contribution to the educational development of Kogi State. He's also excited this afternoon that one of his own students has become the president of the Rotary. And I like the 4th objective of the Rotary Club. It's about collaboration. In that light, yesterday he called me specifically to plead with the incoming president that we're looking forward to collaborations for networking, and that since his assumption of office here, he hasn't seen the presence of the Rotary, the student arm of the Rotary. Okay, because I know that when I was the Dean of Students, I was also given an award by the Rotary. That was 4-5 years ago, but suddenly they went quiet. So he has asked me to specifically plead with the Rotary Club of Lokoja to kindly resuscitate the Rotary of the Federal University. So, in support of this honor that has been given to me, he would want to give a small token of support to the Rotary of 50,000 naira.
Please, account number, sir.